Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be rating my own fidgets. So I'm gonna have more of fidgets coming, so stay tuned. Okay, before we move on, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. So first I have this squishy. It's a slow rising squishy. It's a very slow rising squishy. Get it? It's so slow. Okay. So because it's a bit kind of very really slow but also really satisfying, I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, next fidgets. Next, I'm Poland. Yeah. So we have a thread together, so we put that. So see that later. See my secrets gonna explore that. Okay. Oh wait, you're not supposed to see anything. Okay, so yeah. I'm rating this a 10 out of 10. See, this is a really soft squishy. Okay, next I did this squishy. This is a homemade squishy. If you wanna see how to make your own DIY squishies, you can go watch the video about how to make your own squishies. Remember, there's also a part 2 if you never watch it. So yes, a really nice and soft squishy. This is actually, I sewed it myself, so it's kind of ugly if you can't see. So yeah. Okay, next is one of my most favorite squishy. Can't do anything. Really, it's supposed to be more airy. I expected it to look different, but then it came out like this. I can't really do much, but I mean it's still considered squishy. I just squish the paper. Duh. I'm not big. Okay. Oh yeah, you can also go watch the science experiment videos. This is even worse. This can barely do anything. I'm probably gonna give this to my friend. I'm probably gonna give this to my friends. And yeah. And now, from now onwards, I'm gonna start doing shout outs. So if you wanna shout out, comment your name below or just say a hi or something and I'll give you a shout out. And yeah, I got this squishy. This has actually fur to it. Ooh, and this is really soft. Oh yeah, I almost forget one thing. This has a smell. It smells really good. Smell it. But since they're in the inside there, so you can't smell it. So sad. Okay, anyway, next we got this squishy. This is my first squishy I made. It's kind of weird. See, the face is like that, but when I flip over, it's like different at some point. So okay, and I got this donut. This one has also this is really soft. And anyway, today this is a March holiday edition and I'm still doing it at the exact same time. Just now I just finished the video, so yeah, you can also go check out that. So yeah, okay, no, this one, I'm not showing that one. Okay, so that's my squishies. Next, homemade fidgets. Okay, we got this. Okay, it's not homemade fidget, okay? Just some fidgets I made myself. Okay, this was a YouTube video and they said this called fidget. Then my friend, I brought it to school. Then my friend was like, it's supposed to do this, it's supposed to do that. And it's like, yes. And then one of my friends told me, yeah, actually supposed to squeeze it. Then I was like, seriously, I'm supposed to squeeze it? I'm supposed to do this? Who knew? Okay. Then I'm gonna show you guys what I like to do the most. Like that. It's damn fun. My friend actually at first she wanted to trick me magnetic bits for this, but then that she declined the trick. Sad. Anyway, this is my birthday week, so happy birthday to myself. It's really nice. Oh forget about all the other fidgets. Okay, I'm rating this fidget 1 out of 1. Yeah. This is also 1 out of 1. This was my first try, so what can I expect? 2 out of 1. I mean 2 out of 10. This 2 is 1 out of 10. This is 9 out of 10 because it kind of have a weird texture. This is the weirdest one. It's plastic. That's this 8 out of 10 for its weird feeling. My favorite 10 out of 10 is a squishy man. Look at this. Okay, anyway, I can't forget to rate things. Okay, I think I'm rating this 5 out of 10 because you can't really do much to it. Like squeezy. That's all I can do. Okay, moving on. Next we have this thing I trade with Gracie. It's like kind of as a bike chain, I guess, but without the thing in front here to staple it to make a cracking sound. I think I'm not too sure. I never had a bike chain before, honestly. So and I'm having one soon. So yeah. So this is one of my best day actually. I was like, when she was like putting that for trading, I was like, she haven't even asked me if they want going once, not even going once yet, right? I was like, me. Then she's like, wait. Then I was like, give me that. I love it. Okay. Trade more things to her that I do though. This shit. It's so nice. Look at this. Okay, so this is definitely a 10 out of 10. Okay, next we have these ones. These ones actually work as tangles, I guess. I have other things that supposed to work as tangles. Okay, have this too. Okay, this is a fake version of it. This is the real version, but I kind of broke it. Can see, broke. Anyway, okay, so it can make cracking noises, but this kind of broken, so I don't really would like it that much. But I mean, I can still use just a bracelet. I actually tried trading this a lot of time. Like, I traded. That's like, give me back. Okay. Anyway, I'm reading this. I read this. I think I'm reading this. Sorry about the background sound. I think I'm reading this 8 out of 10 because it's not really good. This will be a 7 out of 10 because it's kind of broken. So yeah.
You came before already.
Okay, next, this one. This is actually a loom band, but I actually can work as a fidget. Huh? Oh, it's a random guy. Okay, anyway, it's really nice. I'm reading, but this is kind of a bit hard. So, but this is a really hard to make loom band. My brother gave me for my last year's birthday. so damn cheapskate. Anyway, I'm reading this this is really hard. I'm rating this a 5 out of 10. This is slightly softer, but I can see the rubber's breaking soon. Oh shit, rubber broke. Anyway, I'm rating this 5 out of 10 too. Okay, next. Got these two. Both these two are my friend gave me. It's just actually a bracelet for Christmas, but then I realized fidgets. Okay, anyway. This is my friend Isabel. She gave me this. It's really nice. I hope you guys can hear it, right? Sorry, I don't really have a microphone. Okay, next. We got this one. It's a really satisfying one. This is my favorite one. This from my friend Jasly. Yeah. Okay, next. Moving on to my favorite surgery, and I got it from my best friend from Cut Auntie. I'm doing this. A shout out to her. She comments in playing Roblox with Gracia, so you can go check that out. And then yeah. Anyway, thank you for you. Thank you for the fidget. Anyway, this was actually last year's Christmas one. And this is definitely going for 10 out of 10. Okay, one more down. Okay, next we have these two book covers. It's kind of watery. But I also have one more. It's kind of as for my diary. So it's right here. It's really nice. But this is my diary. I really love it. Okay, anyway, can't see my secrets. I'm going to keep it somewhere else. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so we have this one. This is a limited edition one. Look at this. A blossom, got this flowers. I call this one a limited edition because there's flowers. This is basically, oh yeah, just now my diary, the cover, that is definitely a 10 out of 10. This is also like, it's a water one. However, this one is a gel. This is a legendary. Just now my diary, that one is an ultra rare because there's stars too. It's really cute and heart shapes. I mean, it's not stars. This one is just, it's a legend, it's a limited edition. So yeah. Oh yeah, I'm going to tell you guys what are the ranks. So this is a rare one. It's not really that rare to affect. I just wanted to cut rare, right? Okay, this is a legendary. I mean, look at the pops. This is not even the good side yet. It's kind of making a really nice sound already. Okay, this is then the weird puppet side. It's really nice. Okay. Then are my squishies. I'm reading the homemade ones. Those are just uncommon because they're kind of hard to mix. And then these ones, are all kind of just common. Okay, wait. Only these two are not. These three are not common. This two. This one is not common. It's not this. Okay, these two is not common because it's kind of hard. So this basically a legendary because my friend gave it to me. You never find one of them again. No, one day. I'm not considering anybody. Anyway, this one is a really just a common. This is an uncommon. And, yeah. These ones are common. Okay. Moving on. We got this one. It's also a book cover for my old diary. And this one inside there, however, has gel. Look at this. Oh my god, it's shut. Anyway, there. You can see me doing it. It's really nice. Let me show you guys this one again, okay? Okay. This is
Again, this is your fidget toy.
Yes.
Toy.
That's my mother. Okay, this is I don't know. I'm rating this one 10 out of 10. Has a really nice ring, and this are legendary. I rated you guys, but why don't you say it? And I have my blue tags here. They're all really nice and soft. This one is a marble one. This is legendary. This is ultra rare. This is rare because it's kind of hard to make one of them, the entire thing. So if you want to trade this, if I'm trading this entire thing, it has to be like a really good thing, like a infinity cube or monkey doodle or something. I really want a monkey doodle, okay? And basically I have these ones that are basically all of them are for battery packs. Oh yeah, we have this marble. Let me show you. So imagine I choose a number, for example 18. My birthday is on 18 March, right? Let's go. Okay. Now we're gonna see if I get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, I didn't get it. It's on the 12 one. I was way too much before that. Okay. Anyway, continue going. This number's for here. Okay. Next we have this one. This is actually an hour. Wait, yeah, this is an hour. But it makes a cracky sound. People are always asking, what's the use of an hour, man? But I'm like, hear this crack. If you guys can't hear this, you can on your volume louder. This is the loudest I can be because I'm making it very close. Wait, I can make it louder. I'm gonna use my earpieces. My mother's earpiece, I mean. Okay, crack it there. Hold that. Okay, now I'm gonna let you guys hear the sound. Okay, let's go. So yeah, it's just inside. Now I'm gonna take off the earpiece. Okay. This is kinda hard today, so 5 out of 10. That is just actually uncommon because it's not easy. Anyway, now I have moving on to the next one. Battery packs ones. So we have this dimpers. We have this dimper too. This dimper. This Okay, first. Give me the marble back, yeah. Okay, I'm ready. This is a really nice. I can make a really nice sound. I'm gonna go close to the mic so on the very level. Okay, that's gonna let you guys hear this one. This one can't really make much sound except for the fact the sound is very like really soft, so you have to on your volume louder. This one. Okay, this actually 3 different ones. You can honestly, it kind of sounds a bit different. Okay, this one when push out sounds. Okay, wait, let's put this back there. This one sounds. Yeah, they sound kind of the same. Okay. This sounds. This one is. This slightly has a lesser volume. Oh wait, I have 4. This is a common. These ones are uncommon, makes amazing sounds. So yeah, this is I did a fidget trading. How I also got my so-called bike chain. So this one, pop it up. It's really hard. Anyway, this one I've been here for very long. Anyway, this one is also that I treat as a puppet. It has a really nice sound. Okay. This one. I'm still not done. This makes amazing sounds. Okay, let's put this here. Okay, next we're going to the Arby's. Here I have crushed Arby's packs. Crushed Arby's. Gotta hear the sound. The sound is nice. It's really good because you can, if you're hot, just put it there. Okay, next. Alright, my favorite. This is something everybody wants. This is a DIY simple dimple which my sister helped me to make too. The best one is the purple one because it can make a really loud sound. This is really nice. Yeah. This is a 10 out of 10. It's really nice. So that's this guy. This one. This is the other one. Okay, see what is this there, okay, honestly, when I have this thing, one thing I like doing is I divide the colors, or I make some colors I want to it. Just now, before I film a video, I did clear and blue. Okay, anyway, this is an obvious pack. It's kinda, actually if you put water, it's like a water snake, but I don't really use water bags because later it might break and everything will go everywhere. So yeah, but okay, I'm gonna just squish one place. Look at it. It's kind of hard to squish, especially with the camera right there. Can't really see what I'm doing, but There. Squish. Looks really nice. This is a really good one. So this is an ultra wear. So I give it this a 10 out of 10. Okay, I also have another one. This is my first one. That was my second one. Slightly new one. This is there's a lot of stick though, but it's really nice. Slightly more. I like this one more because like the side is more nice. That other one is slightly more bumpy. Okay, this one is a rare because it's not easy to make. So, and this one, last but not least, it's always shaky. I don't know what's this. I just realized. So yeah, this is a really nice one. Anyway, yeah, it is really good. 10 out of 10 too. So yeah, that's all for my fidgets, and that is 26 minutes. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.